A clean, organized classroom is the first step towards creating an effective learning environment. It also shows care and respect for the learners and yourself. Get started by doing the following. Sort the furniture. Make sure there is a table and chair for each learner. Get rid of broken and excess items. Clear the space in the classroom. Set up a teacher's station. Organize a clean, nice space for yourself. Have a carpet if possible. In foundation phase, it is very important to bring learners together on the floor. Have a wall space for each subject. Have a meaningful print-rich environment. Change your displays regularly so that learners want to go and look at the displays. Set up a shelf for learners' books. Label the books and the space to help with organization. Establish a class library. Collect reading materials for your learners to use for independent reading. Have extra stationery for learners. This saves time when learners need to get started with written work. And most importantly, display learners' work. Again, change these displays regularly so that all learners have a chance to have their work on display and feel proud.
I make sure that those old books that they were no use anymore must be put in the cupboard, or they must take away to the storeroom so that it cannot distract my class. Even those broken chairs, broken tables, they must be in the storeroom so that the class, if I have 40 learners, as I have 40, the furniture must be tally with the number of learners in my class. The one that I'm not using, I must put it neatly in my cupboard. But after I teach that particular lesson, I take the chart and put it on the wall, because the wall must be clearly labeled. This is for IFAL, this is for maths, for Siswati, for life skill. I put it on the wall so that learners can remind themselves about what we learn up to so far.